Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your search style from icon to search box. As you can see in my desktop, I have search icon here. So if you click it, you can search everything here. So I want to change the search icon to search box. So this is icon and I'm gonna change it to search box. So first you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings and hit enter, and then in the setting page you can go to your personalization, click on it, and then you can scroll down until you find taskbar. You can click on it, and then in the taskbar, as you can see, there is option to change the search style. So as you can see, my default is search icon only, so this is the icon only. I'm gonna change it to search box. You can click search box and it will automatically change to search box like this. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.